Oil prices edged higher by 2% on Friday, driven by exports of an Iranian-owned oil tanker being hit, probably by missiles, in the Red Sea early in the day. The incident, which has yet to be independently verified, could intensify the conflict between Tehran and Riyadh, after Saudi Arabia had suspected Iran of striking major oil installations in its country and tankers in the Persian Gulf. The Turkish lira, as well as the local stock and bond markets, all experienced sharp declines on Monday, after both the US and the European Union warned of enforcing economic sanctions on Turkey if it does not cease its military operations in Syria. The lira was down to 5.92 per dollar, heading for its lowest since May and raising losses this year to nearly 12%, while the key BISD 100 index fell by 4.2%. Shares in JP Morgan Chase were up by 2.1% on Tuesday as the firm's latest profit and revenue climbed above expectations, with its robust consumer banking operations helping minimize the impact of lower interest rates in the third quarter. JP Morgan reported that its third quarter profit grew 8% to $9.1 billion or $2.68 per share, while revenue also gained 8% to a record $30.1 billion, with the bank citing improvement in home loans, auto, and credit cards as reason for growth. U.S. retail sales unexpectedly weakened in September, snapping a 6-month winning streak and continuing to support the possibility of another rate cut from the Federal Reserve. The Commerce Department stated on Wednesday that retail sales declined by 0.3% in the previous month, marking as its first and largest fall since February, as households tightened their spending on motor vehicles, building materials, personal interests, and online purchases. Netflix Inc. gained more paying subscribers than what analysts had expected in the third quarter, putting investors' minds at ease after expressing concerns over the streaming giant's performance as Disney and Apple prepared to venture into the streaming video industry. With new seasons of its shows like Stranger Things and 13 Reasons Why, Netflix paying customer grew to 6.77 million worldwide, beating expectations of nearly 6.7 million and setting the company on track to reach full-year operating margins of 13%.